Hi, Ana Munoz. I did go to a board meeting. I did see some power struggles. The board did ask my principal many questions. I like how he stayed calm. He answered all the questions, every single one of them. He kept giving more information. He quoted the Ed Code. And he gave examples of why he was implementing all these processes so our school could become better. The board in the end seemed to relax. They were very thankful for all their information, especially about Ed Code and documentation for discipline policy. The board also stated their opinion of what needed to change and get better. My principal was really listening, you can tell, and he said he would start a log so he could better communicate after a board member suggested a weekly parent report. I know we also have Aries as an online system. We can use that to communicate with parents and families even more as well. Later, my principal told me that all admin answers to the board. They're like our bosses, so to take those comments seriously and always be in good working grounds with them. What did I learn? Well, first of all, I learned that everybody was very dressed up. Wow. I liked seeing Robert's Rules of Orders the board had for all their duties, and everybody followed the rules. And the public did not comment till public comment, so there was really like a system for everything. Surprises? Yes. I was surprised how much a board meeting reminded me of court. There was very formal rules and procedures. I did see a power struggle for some had legitimate complaints from the public, and we were all working on solutions. Now, honestly, other claims were not fixable. They were just ranting or something that we told them we'd have to deal with down the road. Right now, we're in the process of great change to make our school better. Unanswered questions where I would like to know what training my principal had to know so much about Ed Code, to quote it during a board meeting. That really showed he knew his stuff. That was great information. I'd like to be more trained in the Ed Code so I can learn and follow the proper protocol. Overall, I found the board meeting very informational and helpful, and I really learned a lot from going to the board meeting, so I'm glad Brandon asked me to do that. It was great training.